This protocol is designed to investigate the spatial deployment of visual attention during saccade programming, and it allows to assess what people attend before they look somewhere. The main advantage of the protocol is that one can analyze visual attention before the execution of so-called averaging saccades, which land at an intermediate location between two saccade targets. Nina Hanning, a PhD student from our laboratory, will be demonstrating the procedure in the role of a participant.
Begin setup of the experimental materials in a dimly illuminated room consisting of a computer, a cathode ray tube or CRT monitor, a standard keyboard, 2 loudspeakers, and an eye tracker. Then, open the eye tracking software and load a pre-written script that includes all parameters for stimulus presentation and capture of behavioral and eye data. Display all visual stimuli on a CRT screen with a minimal vertical refresh rate of 120 Hz. Use the left and right arrow keys on a keyboard to assess the participant's evaluation of the discrimination target orientation, either counterclockwise versus clockwise. Ensure the proper display of visual gabors on the screen. Lastly, set up speakers in order to provide auditory feedback for incorrect manual responses. Begin by having the participant sit down in a chair in front of the eye tracker. Place their chin on the chin rest and lean their forehead against a bar to restrain head movements. Next, run a